Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time, Liam. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Ate Peach. Okay, open mo na yung mga gifts mo. Okay, oh. Wow. Yan, mga mini gifts lang yan.
Ano to, man?
Wow. Bagay sa'yo. Yeah. Kasi malapit ka ng sumamba, diba? Malapit ka na mag-church siya. Katandaan. You like it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you smile with that gift? 1, 2. Okay, next gift. May dancer pa sa gilid-gilid. Ate Peach. Mga anak, mapagod ka. What is that, Liam? Wow! Karomi wallet. You like it? Okay. Hey, open your next gift.
Happy birthday. Purple.
Purple.
Hello! Cute! Si Kurami!
Okay. Thank you for the dance, Liam. Picture, Ate Peach.
Kasama na akong katulong.
Okay, Peach. Okay. Open your next gift, ate. Meron.
Ano to? Ulan?
No?
Tawel? Oh my God!
Open mo. Open mo, pero wag dito sa cake. Open mo.
Happy birthday to you!
Wow.
Cute!
Hooded blanket towel.
Hello! Suot ko na ngayon.
Wait lang. Let Liam wear it. Cute. Picture ka kay Ate Peach. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ang cute naman. Okay, next gift. Si Liam ang cute. Ano kaya yan? I like that gift, ate. Pakita mo kay mami. Tabi ka Liam, tatlo kayo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, okay naman ng You like your pillow?
Yes! Tatabi ko ang
Tama.
tutulong.
Okay, so meron tayong major gift. Di ba, Liam? Meron tayong major gift. Dadali na ni Daddy.
Yes. Yung gift.
Mamawa na siya.
Ito na ata yung major eh.
Hindi.
Ito sa akin. Happy birthday!
Ayan o, ayan o.
Hello! Piano!
Oops. Wow. You like it, Ate Peach?
No!
You like it?
Yes!
Oh.
Piano!
Oh, yeah. Diba you want to be a pianist, organist? Okay. Yan. Ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mommy.
Okay. Aliyam, tabi ka, picture kayo. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bye, guys!
Bye! Thank you!
Thank you for the greetings, sabihin mo.
Thank you for the greetings!
Okay, bye!
Bye-bye! Wait, no.
Okay na?
Try ko na.
Okay.